What's up YouTube, this is Jazz on Jazz is a Tech Freak TV. Welcome back to another video. Today's video is, you know what, a unboxing of the Galaxy Watch. And you know what, I've been waiting for this for quite some time, anticipating this, and you know what, I absolutely love it. I have got the Midnight Black version, and it's a 42mm LTE version, but I shall be using it with Bluetooth. Yes, YouTube, with Bluetooth. What else can I say? I've been excited about this, so I won't keep this video too long. It's going to be a quick unboxing, and then I'll go over the specs and that once I pair it up with my Galaxy Note 10 Plus 5G. I'll go over the specs, I'll go over the screen, I'll go over the features, the benefits, and we'll just scroll through the settings and the menus. Right, okay, let's get this unboxed. See if I can pull this out. Wow, okay, so there's the watch. Let's just boot this up quickly. Let's power this up. If you can see that, how do we power this up? Okay. Right, so I don't know whether YouTube we have to charge this or not, but let me just try and boot this up. I may need to charge it, which is a bit of a strange thing, because normally they have power in them, don't they? Right, anyway, YouTube, right, so let's put that down to the side. So I have the 42mm in black, and it's LTE, but as I said, YouTube, I'll be using it via Bluetooth. I've got the black leather strap, but we'll go over the features in another video when I go over the specs. This is just a quick unboxing today, I'm afraid, but stay tuned for another video. Okay, so let's see what's in the box. We have two pockets here. Okay, so we have the plug, charging plug with your micro USB type B. Okay, so let's put that back in because we don't want to get that damaged. Now, I've been waiting for this bugger for ages, to be honest with you, but I didn't quite buy it then because I didn't have a Samsung phone, if that makes sense. And I thought, you know what, it's pointless, it's only going to be sitting around and I won't be doing a video on it anytime soon. So in here you get your charging dock, so it's a stand, it's a bit like the Apple one. Okay, see if you can see that. Okay, so that just stands like that, and then your charging cable goes in there, which is quite nice. I like that. Okay, so let's get that back in. Okay, and I think it's got some instructions in there. You can look, but I won't bother pull that out. Just a quick look on this plug again. Oh, I wonder where. So you get the plug and the cable to plug into there, which is phenomenal. I think that's all you get in the box, but I prefer this version. I actually had the second, I think it was the Samsung Gear, the actual Gear watch, which I used for quite a few years. But what happened was that one was you had to put a physical SIM in the back, and that started leaking or something, the seal, and every time it used to come up with an error message, cannot read SIM. So I would have to switch it off, switch it back on, take the SIM out and put the SIM back in. But the watch is absolutely brilliant. Unfortunately, YouTube, my watch hasn't actually got any power in there. So but we can go over a few things. You've got two buttons there. I presume one of them is the power button and one of them is probably the back and that, but as I said, we'll go into more detail. You've got a preferably speaker there, I presume. You've got your sensor things there, just there on the inside. You've got a dial up here, which obviously functions properly and is part of the functionality of the watch. But unfortunately, YouTube, I was going to switch it on and just go for the quick go through on the menu side of things, but unfortunately I can't. So what I'll do is I'll hopefully bring you a video in a couple of days in between the Note 10 5G update plus update, and we can go over these specs, and I'll pair you up with my Note 10 plus 5G, and we'll use it both together in sync, and we'll see how it goes, and I can give you a full review on this watch as well. At the minute, it's just going to be in sections, just updates and that, and then I'll do a full review on it and my final thoughts and my final decision on the watch. Yep, that's it. So that was a quick review on unboxing on the Galaxy Watch, which is the LTE, and it's 42mm and it comes in black. Right, that's it, YouTube. That's it from me. Stay tuned. Hit the subs if you like this video, and hit the like if you just hit the like. Be loyal. Come and stay tuned to my channel, and I'll be giving some giveaways soon. Jazz on Jazzy Tech for you TV. Bye for now.